So I'm pretty much sure there is something very basic that I'm missing, but I'm not able to get my installation of, sorry, not installation, but rather the make of darknet working. This is my configuration. So maybe there are issues with the CUDA version and there are issues with some kind of configuration setup. So this is what I've done till now. So somebody said go ahead and make an entry in the bash RC, which I've done. So this is what it is. CUDA 11.0, and that is correct. I have that version itself, right? So, and also this is symlinked to my within that here. So there's a symlink which is there. So the address seems to be okay. Seems to be done. I forgot to put the export in front of the path in bash RC, and I sourced it. I think now things are okay. Yeah, seems to be okay now. Now it seems to be working fine. And while this is running, but why don't I see a bounding box? This predictions is supposed to have a bounding box, right? It's not there. So the most probable issue now is that my GPU is not supported or it's not being detected because nothing over here gives me a 1650. Mine is a 1650. So then again, GPU zero, all of the zeros, only OpenCV and use multiple, okay, multiple CPUs. So that is what got this thing working. So here it is. Which one did I run it in? Yeah, so this doesn't work. GTX 1650 GeForce. I don't think so. This is supported, or even if it is supported, I don't think so. It got recognized as whatever. So that is one thing. So I had to make this again, and where did that go now? The dogs vanished. Dogs vanished. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Let's run it again. Doesn't take much time. I think at least this test image is not taking much time. The rest of the things might take time on CPU. And this is after suspecting that either OpenCV was not installed or maybe other things were wrong. But I think this is okay for now. So let's see. Maybe again Google around to see if the GPU is supported or not.